hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching What's Rakesh Up To, and this is day 2 of the trip. I just got ready. It's 6:42 in the morning, and yeah, I got ready, and my parents are getting ready. It was raining early in the morning, but now it stopped raining, and the weather is very nice actually. I mean, so we have 2 more temples that we need to visit today. So we'll be heading there and then heading back home. I think I'll just go for a walk. It's no rain. It's not raining. So yeah, so 2 temples and then home. So let's see what all we get to see and what all we get to do today. ಏನಾಗ್ರಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಯಮ್ಮನ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಿದು ಓಹೋ ಬಂದು ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನೇನು ಬಕಾಸು ವಂಶತಾನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ ಪಾಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮಾತ್ರ 2 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನು ಮಾತ್ರ 20 ಹಾಕೊಂಡೆ. So guys, done with breakfast and we just packed everything and car is loaded. It's 8 o'clock, so and it's still raining. So this is the place. So you can look it up on Google. You will get this place, and I suggest this place to anyone who's looking for a very scenic spot to stay here. This side near Chikmagalur. I mean, this is in the end of Chikmagalur, very close to Mudigere. So if anyone is interested, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll give you the location or give you the phone number if required. If not, everything is available on Google right away. And yeah, with that being said, again, this is not like a resort. This is a homestay. So don't think that it's kind of a resort and everything. It's just a homestay where you feel that you're in a home, and yeah, it has its imperfections and everything, but the food is next level. Mom, dad, both of them love the food, and even the breakfast, right? So usually they make breakfast very late, but just because we were leaving early, they actually made breakfast for us. That was so sweet, and also even the parents like that gesture from them. So big thumbs up to this place. It's called Megur Homestay. So up to the next location, I mean some temple. Hogana? Bye. Say bye guys. That's the spot. So still raining, so let's go. So just stopped here just to take some pictures, and I mean, it's early morning fog in Chikmagalur is epic. So came to this temple in Kalsha. So this is a Shiva temple, and just waiting for the rain to reduce a little. My mom and dad have gone to shop some spices for home, so I'm just waiting for the rain to reduce. We have only one umbrella, guys. Don't judge me. Only one umbrella is there. They've taken that and gone. Let them come, I'll come. So on the way to Hornad, so this is Tunga river, which is in full force. So let me just show you guys. So this is Tunga in a full force, and actually you can see few cows standing there, but there you can see few plastic bottles and everything. So So few days back actually the water was above this bridge. So imagine, and obviously there wouldn't be any road connection to Hornad if this happens. So yeah, as of now the roads are open, but again you can see the river is in full force, man, and it's still raining and I'm under the umbrella. So park the car over there. Western Ghats and monsoon, man, it's a match made in heaven. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So all this goes to near Bhadravati and becomes Tungabhadra, and again it goes all the way to Hampi. I mean there's a dam near Hampi, so this exact water someday will make it to the banks of Hampi. So yeah, a lot of coffee shops everywhere. ಆದರೂ ವೆದರ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಗುರು. So we are near Hornad temple, Horanadu. So this temple is in the middle of, I mean it's all hillocked, and it's in a valley. So this is the famous Annapurneshwari temple. They have sanitization machines here. I mean one of the first temples I'm seeing that. I don't think we can record anything inside, so I'm just showing you guys outside the place. In case they let me record, I will record. So still raining guys, and still the third wheel here today. Hey, yellow ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ So done with Hornad, and I mean it's not gonna stop raining I guess. So next to Sringeri guys. So guys, made it to Sringeri, and just check out this colors on this Gopuram, dude. It just stopped raining. So guys, this is a very famous temple dedicated to Saraswati, and this place is next level, especially this Rajagopura. Luckily it stopped raining, so I hope the temple is open. So that monument there, right, it's really old. So that was an older temple, and this is, and to the right is the main temple. So you also have river Tunga just flowing next to the temple. That's one of the best part about this temple. So I'll show you guys later. And to the other side is the main mutt. I can't record. So this is what's happening. I don't know if you guys can see. When I went inside the temple like 5 minutes ago, it wasn't raining, but now it started raining. So Shankaracharya. Heavy rains. Okay, so this is Tunga. This is river Tunga, and so there is a bridge that takes you to the main Mata that side. But yeah, this is yeah guys, I think this concludes the temples that we had for this trip. And yeah, it's raining non-stop, man. I don't know, it's raining non-stop. So yes, this concludes. I think this is the last temple that we have for the day, and we're gonna head out after this. So I wanted to take photos, but yeah, it's raining heavily, proper rain. So stop near Badra coffee shop. I'm not sure if you guys have come to this place. This is a very nice place. You get nice coffee. They make it from their own estate here. So I usually stop here while heading back to Bangalore from this part of Karnataka. So this is right outside Balehonnur. So I ordered for some coffee and sandwich because this weather requires some kind of hot beverage. And mom also wanted to check this place out because we've been here before. So this place is kick-ass, man. I mean, you have places to sit here, and just doesn't stop raining, guys. So guys, almost done, and so it's third time of the trip. I have to head home. Okay, 4 hours home, so let's head home, guys. So just made it home, and so it was a good drive, no complaints there. So yeah, I have a lot of bags to carry, and I'll be doing that and going and passing out. So I hope you guys like the video. If you guys liked it, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and keep supporting us. Until the next video, see you guys.